A few moments later.
Entering the occupancy awareness system, which enables the detection of people entering various spaces.
So this solution has a lot of possible applications, but the one we were inspired by was one by CMU, where they wanted to not have to clean bathrooms that hadn't been used during the day, so they could increase the efficiency of their facilities team and not do unnecessary work. In this example, we're using it for classroom detection, and this can be used for attendance purposes, so that we can detect people walking in and people walking out. So it's just a radar being mounted on top of the door. In this case, we kind of just 3M'd the radar above. But in a more permanent solution, you could probably put the radar somewhere above right here so that it has a better angle. And we analyze the point cloud data that comes out of the radar, and we detect whether someone is walking into the classroom and out of the classroom. That way we can get accurate estimates of the occupancy in the classroom. Now, outside of the classroom and restroom, I think this could also be a really useful solution for general occupancy detection. So another possible use case for this technology is just general occupancy detection for a building. So in this case, we're going to be testing our radar on top of a door that's just here at the CS building. And if you have these sensors, around every entrance in the building, then still using our formula, what we plan to do is send all the data. So you can send all the data at one time or constantly, and analyze the data to understand how many people are in the building, perhaps at every hour, or you can see the total occupancy, per day. So you can see that there are multiple application areas for this kind of technology and a lot of useful use cases.
Okay, so the reason that this is applicable to the situation that we have at hand is because we can use the radar's chirps to create a range profile that then can detect distance from the radar, which will give us height since we can subtract the distance from the radar to the ground. And then we can track the cloud points to see the movement across the x-axis to see if people are entering or leaving a space.